Hello guys, it is finally here, our complete guide to photography book. And when I say it's been years in the making, I am not exaggerating. This book has took me literally years to make. Obviously all of the text in it, but all of the pictures, all of the graphics, all of my experience and my knowledge in teaching, it's all gone into this book. And I can't tell you how proud and how pleased I am on how this book has turned out. It is full of really cool imagery, really good graphics. It's going to be really good for visual learners. It's got lots of practical tasks in there as well, so you can actually get out there and learn hands-on. Our ebook was selling really well, so that's what pushed me to create this printed version, and it is now on sale. It's full colour, it's got a lovely gloss finish on the front here, and the first 250 copies of these I've made as a limited edition, and I've put a lovely limited edition stamp on the inside of this book. Not only that, I've got 25 vouchers, 25 of these vouchers, which I am randomly putting in to all of these books before they go out on sale, and that is a £50 voucher for one of our online courses. So if you're lucky enough to get one of these books, inside it you might find one of these vouchers that gives you one of our online courses for free, which is worth £50. Here's some specifics. So here's the size of it. It is A4 in size, which is the US standard letter size roughly. I think it's a little bit bigger than the standard US letter size. We are currently selling it from the UK, so if you are abroad, if you are in the US or Australia, and we've got loads of customers out there and we love you, we can still ship to there. So we are shipping worldwide, but obviously shipping costs will incur. Now these shipping costs will come down over time, but for now it is standard Royal Mail prices, and that is all going to be, you know, you'll see that as you buy the book. Now listen, this is fantastic. This book is great, and I'm not just saying it because I have produced it, but if I had this book when I was learning photography, I would have learned it so much quicker. I'm really proud of it. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description of this page, and check the book out, go and check it all out, and I hope you buy it and I hope you really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.